and extremely high performance is one of the best qualities that make a handgun stand out from the rest of its kind. When a handgun performs differently from the known norm, offering a better shooting experience, it makes shooters more confident in their skills and keeps them wanting more of such a feeling. Having swept through the market, we've discovered some handguns that are truly high performing, and I've come to show them to you. These handguns outperform other guns in their various categories, and we're here to give them the accolades they deserve. Let's check out the top 5 handguns that outperform the rest. As I promised, here's a bonus handgun that performs just as great as the other guns on our list, the Ruger LCR. For those who would love a self-defense revolver, the Ruger LCR turns out to be one of Ruger's best concealed carry handguns. Designed specifically for discreet carry, this revolver exists in quite several calibers like .357 Magnum, .38 Special, and even the 9mm caliber. When it comes to its performance, the LCR showcases impressive accuracy and has proven to be a reliable handgun in the face of difficulties. Mention a revolver that fits perfectly in hand, sits well in the pocket or holster, and isn't weak in its performance. I'll show you the one revolver that can stand up to even higher capacity firearms. Ruling on the front line of the best handguns that outperform the rest is the Ruger GP100, an audacious revolver that exceeds expectations through its groundbreaking performance. The solid build of the GP100 gives it such strength that makes it work wonders in the hands of whoever wields it. Although the power of this pistol is unleashed in the hands of experts, even if you're just starting out in the world of revolvers, you'll find the GP100 very easy to operate. This 6-shot wheel gun has thick cylinder walls. This 6-shot steel gun has thick cylinder walls. The barrel is built in such a way that it effectively handles the propulsion of each ammo. Chambered in .357 Magnum and priced at a very reasonable amount, Ruger produced this handgun to be one of the best you'll ever come across on your shooting journey. If you ever wonder which revolver to try out or decide to make an addition to your collection, if you don't already own the Ruger GP100, you should check it out and see if you'd like to spend your money on it. Trust me, it'll be worth the trial. The full-sized variant of the Walther PDP is one of the best all-round pistols you'll find on the market today. Although the compact pistol was produced and has appealed to a host of shooters, the full-sized version remains unbeatable in its performance. One of its striking features is its lightweight despite its full dimensions, and it serves as an amazing self-defense handgun. There hasn't been a pistol quite like the Walther PDP since its production, and year in and year out, it remains iconic in its performance. This outstanding striker-fired pistol, chambered in 9mm, holds up to 18 remarkable rounds and can tackle whatever task is thrown at it without leaving dirt behind. Its crisp trigger is the best part of this pistol for some. The short pull and relatively quick response turn heads, and to think that the Walther PDP full-size cost just $600 is quite amusing, considering the fact that it outperforms many other pistols that cost a lot more. Striker-fired semi-autos are known for their speedy reloads, and the Heckler Koch VP9 takes that capability a little higher up the notch. This polymer-framed pistol's look is elevated by its stainless steel slide. But beyond the physical structure of the VP9, the pistol is a tremendous powerhouse that shoots with temerity. Every trigger pull commands a thunderous response that sends its target to the ground without delay. All the textures of the VP9 are intentionally designed to offer ease of use and maximum performance. Produced with the needs of left-handed shooters in mind as well, this pistol's ambidextrous controls make it easy for all shooters to get the most out of its performance. Its accuracy is jaw-dropping. You can rely on it any time to give it the shot you aimed for. The price of the Heckler Koch goes for $989 thereabout. Well done on watching to this point. we'd like you to be aware that we've added a bonus handgun after we reveal number 1, so hang on so you don't miss out on the last firearm we have for you. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a thumbs up so we know to do more videos just like this. Let's keep it moving. Korth is a firearms manufacturer that's slowly making a name for itself in the industry. With the release of the Korth Mongoose revolver, the German manufacturer has made it to the spotlight. While the name might still sound new to some people, the Korth Mongoose is a high-performance revolver that's currently being imported to the US by Nighthawk. It's a 6-shot wheel gun with a straightforward design. There's no unnecessary complication to its operation, and it has some really astounding features like an interchangeable cylinder that can be swapped in and out without any tools, an adjustable rear sight, and a ramped front sight that produces the best images you'll ever see. This revolver is easily concealed as its barrel is only 3 inches long, and you'd be surprised by the Korth Mongoose's price tag if you think it comes cheap because of its simple design. Without any form of inferiority, this revolver is worth a hefty $3,700. You may think that's so much for a handgun that isn't so popular, but I suppose it's only for a select few who will wield it like it's their only weapon. I hear some of y'all calling me a Glock fanboy. But to be honest, I'm only here to tell you the truth about guns. If a handgun is good, I put aside all bias and call it just that, a good handgun. The Glock 19 Gen 5 happens to be one of those good handguns, and it's not just good, it outperforms many other handguns in its category, and that's why it's on our list. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is a famous Glock model that serves various purposes, from self-defense to home protection. It's one of the best-known, most accurate pistols and has a high degree of reliability. Its polymer frame helps it maintain a light weight, making it easy to carry and maneuver. Being chambered in one of the most sweetest rounds, the 9mm, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is a gem that only true shooters have come to unlock. Take this pistol through the toughest of situations and watch it display crazy performance. No wonder it's been in the military for as long as I can remember. Despite being able to hold 15+1 rounds, this pistol maintains a concealable structure and is one of the best concealed carry guns you can ever own, and it doesn't cost a fortune. Having checked out the top 5 handguns that outperform all other handguns in the game, we hope you found this video helpful and engaging. It's always a pleasure to read your comments, so if you'd like to share your experiences with any of the handguns that we've featured, please feel free to comment. If you're new to this channel and have yet to join our community, please hit the subscribe button below to be a part of our fast-growing community. We share important updates like this all the time, and if you don't want to miss out on subsequent updates, kindly click on the notification bell below and turn on notifications for all our videos. That way, you'll never miss a beat. Do well to check out some of the other videos on our list, and don't forget to drop us a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching. We hope you enjoy a pleasurable shooting experience. See you in the next one, and ta-ta for now.